Ever wondered what obscure number like status equal 3 mean in code? These are magic numbers, and they make code hard to read and prone to bugs. Today we'll fix this using Python Enums to write cleaner, safer, and self-documenting code. Let's get straight into it. Instead of using loose string or integers, we can group related constants into a dedicated type. Let's import Enum and create a status tracker for a project app. Look at the code. Okay, now we can assign a status cleanly when you print it. Python treats it as a strict type, not just a random numbers. Look at the code. Okay, let's print. And let's print. And let's run. Okay, output like this. Every enum member gives you two critical properties: dot name for the string representation and dot value for the underlying data. Look at the code. The output like this, and output like this, and print. Let's run and print it. Okay. Because Python enums are actual classes, you can add custom behavior to them. Let's implement the __add __ magic method so using +1 automatically advances our task status to the next step. Okay, in this class here, then return and return. Okay, let's test this logic inside a simple workflow loop. Okay, let's run and let's print. Perfect. The workflow logic now lives cleanly inside the enum itself, keeping the rest of your app completely decoupled. If you don't care about the exact integer value and just need unique names, don't type numbers manually. Use auto instead. First, import library, then okay. Python dynamically assigns sequential numbers under the hood. If you insert a new tier later, Python recalculates the order automatically without breaking any external code. If you must assign values manually, like specify hardware bitmasks, human error can lead to duplicate values. By default, Python allows duplicates as aliases which can cause silent bugs. Look at the code. Okay. To catch this instantly, protect your class with the unique decorator. It forces Python to throw a value error the moment a duplicate occurs. First, import library, then okay, run error. Okay. Use out of when values don't matter, but always use unique if you are writing values by hand. That's how you write robust constants using Python Enums. Like the video, subscribe for more quick Python tips, and drop a comment below. See you!